Hi, my name is Mamadou, and today I'm here to do a workshop for you to make an instrument from household waste for the Cocoa Collective project. This is a pipe, building pipe from the building site, and we have a sweet contents here. We have this on breakfast. I wish I could play it. I played a different one, but this one is just making demonstration so he can see. If you can play it, then you can make a nice sound of it. Again, welcome to make an instrument from household waste. So I just turned the flute, and now we're going to do the drum. So we're going to use a green giant seed contain. So yeah, first of all I'm going to remove this. Okay, fantastic. Yeah, birthday party balloons. Finish with birthday party. So before I throw it, I'm gonna have fun with it. Let me choose. What is my favorite color? I love green, and I'm gonna go green. No, I'm gonna go purple. I look great. Which one do I use? I'm gonna use. Okay, let's go purple and see. This is going to be top for the drum. Yeah. Interesting. Just going to cut the head off. Simple. I'm just gonna secure just tape around that, just to prevent it from moving back. Simples. Okay, fantastic. So let's make that one bit nice. Yeah, shopping bag from the market, basically. Excellent. So now we're gonna go to making string instruments. We're gonna make a string instrument today. Again, you're gonna use sweet Jan Contin. Yeah. Again, I'm gonna peel this one off. Really bent it previously. So I'm just using simple tape. You can use different color of tape to give it the stick a bit more sharp colors, interesting color. See. All the guitar string, or you can use a bicycle brake cable. That's what I used to use. Yeah. Excellent. lonely, me run the system, and I look, here they come, here they go, oh yeah, oh yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all the money I've been given throughout my life. Simaja, kila ni ponyera, kila ni ponya, kila la simaja, kila ni ponyera, kila ni ponya, kila la simaja, kila ni ponya.